Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're in the great outdoors. We're going to be doing some grilling. Specifically, we're going to make shish kebabs. The bear shish kebabs, the easy way, the flavorful way. So, if y'all are interested in that, sit back, relax, and I'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, got all our ingredients gathered here. We got some bell pepper, we got some tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, and some little taters. Meat we're going to be using is actually extra lean ground beef. I seasoned it up with a little bit of this stuff here. I've never tried it before, but it said wood fired garlic with hardwood smoke flavor, so sounded good. So we mixed in some. This is a pound of beef. Now I got to roll it into little balls. So we're just gonna kind of pack it together there, and we're gonna do like golf ball size little bundles there. So let me get these done, and then we'll get our skewers together and we'll kick them out on the grill. So be right back. Alright y'all, got my skewers over here. I prepped those by soaking them in water for about an hour or so. It helps them not to burn. So we're gonna go ahead and get our skewers made up here. So I got a little bit of the beef, a little bit of the onion, a little tomato here, or I'm sorry, mushroom and tomato. If y'all never had roasted tomatoes like this, you don't know what you're missing. So we're going to put a tater on here, and I did pre-cook my taters. They're actually left over from another recipe, and we're going to put a little bit of that's too much onion. There's onion. Yeah, we got a little bit of everything on there. Let's throw another tomato on there. And there's no rhyme or reason behind how, what order we put all this stuff in. We just put it on, make it look good and taste good. So, alright. There we go. There's one made up. I'm going to do the rest. This should give me 4 skewers. So let me get this done, and we'll bring you guys right back. Alright y'all, got the grill all warmed up. So we're going to go ahead and throw these things on here. Got a nice slow heat going. Get all of our veggie ones on here. Now I did give them a little squirt of olive oil just to help make them maybe not stick. So yeah, all right, got them all on there. So we're gonna let them cook, and we'll bring you guys back during the process. All right, y'all. He's been cooking for about 10 minutes. He's over here. Had a little flame up, so I had to flip them real quick. But yeah, they're cooking up nicely. So I'm gonna pause the camera here. We're gonna flip them, and we'll check out the other side. So hang on. All right, y'all. Get y'all back here. See, got them all. They're starting to brown up nicely. There's that one that got a little charred, but be all right. So, all right, yummy. All right, y'all. These things are just about done. So we're gonna get ready to pull them off the grill, and we'll go in and do our little tasty test. So let me finish cooking them up, and we'll bring you guys back. I mean, these things look delicious and they smell awesome. So that seasoning I used, that new one, I think it's gonna be the ticket. So, all right, let me get this done up and we'll get in and do our taste test. All right, I had to bring you back, y'all. Look at that. Them are some award-winning, beautiful, photo-worthy shish kebabs. Them things look delicious, and they're done. So we're gonna get back in the kitchen, and we're gonna do our taste test now. So y'all hang out, and I hope I can wait till I get in the house to start eating them. But they are smelling and looking delicious. All right, y'all. It's time to do the taste test, and we're gonna grab a little bit of the meaty ball and the where's my camera at there? A little bit of the meatball and the mushroom. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, that flavoring, that seasoning, this stuff right here, that's delicious. There you have it. Easy, cheap shish kebabs. You can do this with ground turkey, ground chicken, pork, any of. Just flavor the meat up. There's no sense in buying expensive steak and chicken breast and all that kind of stuff. It's all the same meat. It's just ground up, cooks quicker, and you can get that flavoring all the way through it. So, all right. Hope you all like it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and if you would, please share this out to your friends. So, appreciate y'all, love y'all, and catch y'all on the next one. A little bit of the meaty ball and the where's my camera at there? A little bit of the meatball and the mushroom. So there you have it. Easy, cheap. Uh, uh, there you have it. Easy, cheap. Hey y'all, welcome back to the great outdoors. Back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. As you can see, we're in the great outdoors, and we're going to do some grilling. Specifically, we're going to make shish kebabs. My shish kebabs. Easy, simple, and they taste great. So if you all interested, sit back, relax, and we'll do a little cooking episode out in the outdoors. So hang on.